Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make a simple Scandinavian house. Okay, we have to make the basic shape with rotated rectangle. Then we can start click from here. Then we can move the direction of the cursor. It's around 4 meter, for example. Okay, I'm sorry, it's around 4 meter. Okay, then we can move the direction of the cursor to the behind around 8 meter or 8,000 millimeter in millimeter units. So we can get the result, and I will show you about the dimension. Okay, I will show you about the dimension of it. Okay, this one, and then we can erase. Okay, so we can select this plane, and then we can push it up until 300 millimeter for the floor thickness approximately, and then triple click, right click and make group, and then we can make the guideline with the measure tool. Click from here, and then we can click from here to here, then click from here to this position. Okay, then we can click from this position until upper position around 3 meter, for example. Okay, so we can set the inclination or angle of the roof with using the protector. Start, click, and hold. We can click this intersection and hold to the green axis. Then we can click to the another guideline position over there. Just click, and then we can set the angle with the inclination or the angle value is around 50 degree, and then we can do the same way as the previous way. Start, click and hold to the green direction. Then we can click this guideline, and then we can type 50 degree of angle. So we can get the angle. We can get the basic shape of the Scandinavian house. Then we can make the line. We can use the line and start click from here. Click to be here. Click in here, and then close in here. So we can get the line, and then we can triple click, and then we can offset it inside around 300 millimeter, for example. Then maybe we can just type 150 millimeter for just door thickness. Sorry, wall thickness. Then we can select a line and then click from this point to this point. Then we can delete some unnecessary line over there. Click, right click and erase. Then we can click this plane, click this push tool. Then we can drag to the behind and click in this position. Okay, so we can triple click, right click, and also make group, and we can get the basic shape of the Scandinavian house. Then we can also add more element on the front of the Scandinavian house by click this line, and then click this point, then click this point. Just follow my step, and then close this point, and then press space to neutralize it. Then we can triple click this line that we have made before. Okay, then we can offset it inside. We can offset it inside around um, 400, for example, 400 millimeter. Then we can get, or maybe we can just offset 300 millimeter only. Then we can click this line and click this line, and then we can click, right click and erase. We can click erase for unnecessary line anyway. Then we can click this one, and then we can select a push. Then we can push it to the front around, maybe we can push it to the front around 8 800, and then we can triple click, right click and make group, and also we can make the simple um, stair step with using the rotated rectangle, and start click from here, click in here, and click for the height of the stair around 150 millimeter, and then we can select a push and click to the front around 100 millimeter also. Triple click, okay, right click and make group, and then we can also make the window frame. We can also make the window frame. start from making the frame. I suggest you to start from making the entrance door by select this tab measure tool and then click from here until to the upper position around 2.4 meter, this one, and then click from this edge and then drag and shift until this midpoint, and then you can start click to the set the value of height of the door. Maybe it's around 600 or 700 millimeter. Then you can click this one, start from the midpoint and then to the left around 700 millimeter also. So then we can get the main entrance over there. Then we can use the line, click this section, click this point, and then click this point. Okay, and then we can triple click, and we can click offset, and then we can click offset to the outside position around 40 millimeter. Okay, so then we can close with the line, and click start from here, and then click in here. Then we can click some unnecessary line. Okay, so we can click this plane and push it to the behind around 120 millimeter, and triple click, right click, and make group. And also we can make the door with using the rectangle. Click from here and then click from here. Then we can offset it inside around just 40 millimeter only. And then we can erase some unnecessary line. Then we can click and push it to the behind around 40 millimeter. Triple click, right click, and make group. And then we can make the glass of the main entrance door by using a rectangle, and then click in here and triple click, right click, and make group. Then we can adjust with the glass material. Okay, for example, we can adjust with this glass material. Then we can click this one, select the glass and frame, door lift frame, right click, and make group. And we can select move, press control, and duplicate to this position. Okay, and then we can make the another um, glass wall with using the line, and click from this position, then click to this position, then to this point, then click to this point. Then we can click right there, click, then we can click in this position and click in this position. Okay, so we can click this plane and push it to the front around 20 millimeter, triple click, right click, and make group. Then we can make the same material glass, and then we can select move, place on this position, and we can also adjust with another glass. I'm sorry, we can adjust with another glass, for example. Okay, so we can set the clear, we can set the opacity of the glazing as we want, or the darkness of the glass as we want. And we can also set the color frame of the entrance door, the main entrance door. We can also set the color frame by click this black material. Okay, and after that, we can also set up for the material with a roof. We can using this metal roof. Click, triple click, then we can click this one, click this one, this one. Then we can click this color wheel to set the color about it. If we wanna make the another color, okay, this one. And also we can set up about the concrete maybe. We wanna make it to be a concrete material, we can get. And we can set the tile material of the floor. We can use that also. For example, just like this, or this one, and done. And we can also set for the another thickness, this one. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video, and I wanna give this about the dimension to make it more look detail, and I will give this dimension also with a dimension tool. You can follow my step, and okay, I will click this dimension, and I will give this dimension. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial SketchUp in this channel. Have a good day.